Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying basics fast. Ensure your phone OS and Google Pay app are updated, because outdated clients often fail server handshakes. Next, refresh connectivity, toggle airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds, then reconnect to Wi-Fi or mobile data. This forces a new network session. Open your bank app to confirm it logs in and can request OTPs, since if the bank app is blocked, the payment flow will fail. Record the exact error message and timestamp for later checks. Once done, clear Google Pay cache and, if necessary, app data to reset stale tokens. This often resolves server token mismatches. Make sure your bank account is still linked and authorized for NFC/payments, and confirm two-factor authentication isn't blocking requests. Try signing into the bank app to catch prompts. Then test from a different network, use a mobile hotspot, and temporarily disable VPN or proxy software, because routing or NAT issues can prevent the bank server from responding to Google Pay. To finish, uninstall and reinstall Google Pay, then relink your bank account and perform a minimal test charge under $1 to validate the payment flow without risking funds. If the error persists, contact your bank support immediately and provide the exact error text and timestamp so they can check server status or blocked endpoints. If you can, capture device logs or use the bank app diagnostic tools. These technical details let support identify whether the issue is on your device, network, or the bank server.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.